On January 4, 2025, a devastating explosion at fireworks factory at Sattur, Tamil Nadu claimed lives of 6 workers, leaving several others with severe burn injuries. So what went wrong? The preliminary report suggests that the explosion may have been triggered by a power leakage or friction between explosive materials during firecracker preparation. Upon receiving the distress call, the fire department responded swiftly, extinguishing the blaze and launching rescue operations to save as many lives as possible. Meanwhile, police officials are conducting a thorough investigation, closely examining the accident site to determine the root cause of the disaster. This isn't an isolated incident in Virudhunagar district, known as the fireworks capital of Tamil Nadu. The district is home to over 300 fireworks factories employing nearly 4 lakh workers. Sivakasi, the heart of the industry, contributes over 70% of India's firecracker production and sustains an industry with an annual turnover of 6,000 crores rupees. However, safety concerns remain a persistent challenge. In 2024 alone, the region witnessed 17 factory accidents, resulting in 54 fatalities. Despite government urging factory owners to adopt stringent safety measures, such tragic incidents continue to occur. Factory owners and workers face significant challenges balancing safety compliances with the demand of the production. Supreme Court restrictions, including bans on barium nitrate, limitations on joint crackers, have caused 30% decline in production in recent years, adding financial pressures to an already risky business. This tragic incident highlights a dire need for stringent enforcement of safety protocols in firecracker manufacturing units, worker training programs focused on handling hazardous materials, investment in safer production technologies to reduce risk, regular inspections, and monitoring by regulatory bodies. The fireworks industry is integral to Tamil Nadu's economy and cultural identity, but cost of human lives is too high a price to pay. As we reflect on this tragedy, it is clear that urgent reforms are necessary to protect the workers who risk their lives to keep this tradition alive. Join us as we explore the factors behind this accident, the systemic issues in the fireworks industry, and actionable steps needed to ensure worker safety. Let us spark a conversation about the changes that could prevent such tragedies in future. My name is Ajay Satpute. Thank you very much.